This is the last water. We put it inside our thumb. And done. We are ready to play sink or float. So, do you know why some objects, when placed in the water, they will sink to the bottom, and when the other object placed in the water, they will float? And then, now I will tell you, it has to do with density. Every object is made up of tiny little molecules that connected to each other. So, let's pretend that my fingers is a molecules. Then, when the object molecules is farther like this, they will likely to float. But when the object is closer and tucked tightly like this, they are more dense and they will likely to sink to the bottom. That's why it's explained that big heart like this will float at the top, and a small coin like this will sink. So let's remove this one. I have here blocks, two red and two yellow. What do you think? Will it sink or float? Okay, let's put. What do you see? Did it sink or it float? So first it float because their molecules is far to each other. And I have here a metal bus, and a metal car. What do you think? Will it sink or float? See, it's sink. And this one? It's sink. I have here 4 Play-Doh, a green one, a black one, a brown one, an orange one. Let's put it in the water. Let's see if it will sink or float. Let's see. Of course, it sink because they are more dense and they tuck together. I have here a ponies, 3 ponies. Let's see if they will sink or float. What can you see? Of course, they float. And last, I have 4 wooden blocks. What do you think? Will it sink or float? What do you think? What do you think? Of course, it's float. And I have here a metal roller. What do you think? Will it sink or will it float? Let's see. Of course, it sinks. And last, I have a plastic helicopter. What do you think? Will it sink or will it float? Let's see. What do you think? What do you think? Will it sink or will it float? What do you think? Oh, it floats. It's float. So, now you know why the object float and why the other object sink. It's because of the molecules. When the molecules are packed together like this and tightly like this, the object will sink, and when they are far together like this, they will likely to float. Okay, now you know what is float and sink.